Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, it's a dreary day here in North Carolina today, but I'll tell you what, it's 66 degrees. Feels like a early spring day. Winter's coming back tomorrow in the 30s. But anyway, enough about the weather. Thought I'd bring you along for a couple of things today and probably tomorrow and maybe next week. First things first, got the office door installed. I'm very proud of that. It's come a long ways from the day I was hauling rotten timber out of here with the Oliver and pulling that grain bin out. So very tickled with that. Didn't show you that on the door framing video, but I'll get you a few shots of it here. We've got to do some cleanup in the office today and get ready for hopefully tomorrow to start putting the ceiling up. I'll tell you what, we're coming along with it. So let's get started. I'll show you these few things and go from there. Well, there's the tin up on the gable end of the barn you saw me do the repairs on. I was able to get that up one day last week. Worked out pretty good. It's not perfect. Barn's got quite a bit of lean to it, but I did the best I could with it. All the open areas are covered up. No more wind and rain coming in there. We'll go upstairs and get a shot of the inside. It'll be dark, but I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. Well, we might as well just go on in through the door here. Just showed you. Nothing special. Very proud of it. Works perfect. Opens and shuts well. We'll go ahead and spin around and I didn't mean to make you sick. Worked out pretty good. Like I said, the frame is not 100% perfect. Some of it's the cattywampus lean of the barn, but it's in there, lockable and finished. All right, let's head on up to the upstairs. We'll go through the next door here. Of course, like I said, this is temporary. You've already seen this door, I think, on another video. Pretty dark, so I'll cut you off till we get upstairs. I don't think you'll be able to see anything. It's probably going to be fuzzy footage because it's so dark. Sure did shut out the light from up here, but down there in the bottom of the screen, you can see the opening over the Gleaner and the 1086 up to the lean-to part there, and it's all sealed up. Okay, everybody, well, we're back for another day. Got to do some wiring here. I'll show you in a minute. We got a lot of the ceiling up Saturday. We didn't get it all, but I got to get my lights situated. I went ahead and moved them where they needed to be and cut in a box down there, electrical box. So I'm just kind of trying to get everything together here before I put this last part of the ceiling up. Everything else I can go down the sides of the walls and get to from the outside as far as the receptacles, but once I get all the ceiling up, it's going to be a nightmare. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and pull all this up. It's going to be tough. I'm going to have to get my generator out because I got to kill the power up here to the barn to do all this. So trying to get everything ran to begin with so that when I get ready to wire it up, I can just plug the one light in that I got on there for the generator because they've been on drop cords forever with the receptacle outside. So thought I'd bring you along for a little bit of it. Probably won't be a whole lot of building in this video. It's going to be more or less just probably some electrical, maybe some insulation. I think you all had your fill of carpentry here in the office. We'll just show you, what I get done as I get it done. So thought I'd bring you along for a little bit of the wiring today. Somebody suggested that I work and talk instead of just talking all the time, so we're going to try that and see. It still kills a whole bunch of time, but we'll see what we can get accomplished. So duplex receptacle down there. I got to cut the cord on the light and rewire it short, and that'll give me another plug in the ceiling. I went ahead and put a box here. It's got a wire in it that is braced up. I'm going to put a ceiling fan in here at some point, so I've got that situated and cut out ready for that. I've already got that wire ran over from the other day, so I really should have done this before we put the ceiling up, but it is what it is. So all right, let me get situated here and we'll bring you back here in a minute. Okay, well, we got the lights wired up the other night, cord shortened up, Buzz duplex receptacles in, put them on a switch down here at the door, so it's gonna get dark for a second. Come in, lights will be off, flip one switch just like normal, come on. The second switch here is gonna be for the ceiling fan. So I've got to drag some more wires today, so let me get set up here and I'll explain to you what we're gonna do and we'll get started. All right, I think what I'm gonna do is come down and put an electrical box here and another one down there. The wall's 18 feet, so I'll go over 6 feet and have two. I believe I'll put one at the back, on the very back wall. I'm not gonna do anything in the corner. I'll have one right here on this wall. I'm kind of up in the air on where I wanna put my desk in here, if it's gonna be here, or if I'm gonna put it back here in the corner, and then we'll have one more over there where you guys are. And I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna do quad receptacles or if I'm just gonna do duplexes. I know I'll have a quad down here and probably there, just in case with the, that's where my desk is for, you know, lamp, small fan, computer, whatever the case may be. But we gotta drag some wires up. I'll just hopscotch everything from starting there, up here, and down to this one, and out to my junction box, and then drop one down over here, and I'll go over there. So right now the main thing is just to get the Romex down. Got to drill the holes through the top plate and get it down, just hanging there for right now. I'm not going to hook anything up on the junction box yet, so that we can go ahead and finish this ceiling up hopefully this weekend and get that buttoned up. And then I've got to get the insulation, and I want to get the insulation in behind everything before I worry about putting the boxes in. And then after we get the insulation in, I'll have to wire the boxes up and then start putting the siding up. I think I'm going to go with T111 siding. I haven't 100% decided yet. Just kind of see cost effective and time frame. So let's get started pulling some wire and see what we can do. But we're gonna wrap this up and call it a video. Wasn't a whole lot on this one for sure. I know I showed you the gable end of the barn where I got the tin up on that. I'm glad that project's officially completed. Got the front door up here, I showed you that. We didn't get any footage of putting that up because my buddy was here. And then we've done some wiring. I think I brought you along for some real time on the putting the fluorescent lights up and the receptacles for those and wiring them in the switch. Today we pulled a bunch of wire, wasn't too awful bad. Got everything ready, so fingers crossed this weekend, get the ceiling finished up. Got to have my buddy here to help me hold those up. It's going to be like 68 degrees. I hate to waste a day in here in the office, but I need to get that ceiling up. So after we get that up, get the insulation in, caulk a few holes up, and then it's down to the sheeting and the other door over here. And I'll probably have to do the door before that. So, you know, we're kind of working on a budget. Everything doesn't happen at once, but we'll see how it goes. Not sure how much more footage I'll get of the farm office as far as the daily bills. Might just do some and, you know, bring you back and show you a little bit here or there. Not real sure. I know you guys have got to be getting bored with this, and we still have a whole lot more construction to do. But anyway, like I said before, it's what I'm doing here at the farm. So fingers crossed everything goes well. Thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. It does help the channel out quite a bit. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. Share these videos, get them out there. Might be somebody else interested in a little bit of this. I think I said it before. I'm proud of myself. It's not a house, but it sure has came a long ways from when I started. Till next time, thank you.